Hey, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you all for coming back just to spend time with us as we get our hands a little bit dirty in our garden while we prep for the new year, the spring equinox and the Gregorian calendar year. So we thank you for joining us as we get everything prepped for this new year. We are super busy in the garden. You can find us there every weekend and sometimes throughout the week when we get a chance after work and school. But as you can see, the weather is absolutely amazing. It's slightly overcasted, but it's just as perfect as can be for our family to spend a day in the garden. As you can see, my husband Howard is over to the right-hand side. He is in our gardening station that we have that he set up in the backyard. He's over there repotting our aloe vera plants that have outgrown the pots that we had them in for the past few months. So he's giving them a little attention and love and care while also repotting them in some larger pots for the new season. Every now and then you'll see our new pets, our new additions to our family. The mama doggy, her name is Sadie. She's a dog that we rescued, and we did not know when we rescued her that she was carrying baby pups. Within a few weeks after we rescued her, she ended up giving birth to these two beautiful puppies. Our kids named them Hero and T'Challa. We'll do a video on them one day soon so you can get to know the new additions. As you can see, we have all the kids with their hands on deck. Everyone is joining us and helping with our gardening this year. The kids have already assisted us in mixing up the dirt. We mixed it with compost, the vibrations of the drums, and lots of prayers and songs. So we definitely make sure that we bless our soil before we get the seeds down. And what we're working on today is actually our pollination station that Howard put together, and my husband put the pollination station together. It consists of some tires that we had. We recently, within a few months ago, we got our tires changed on our vehicle, and I requested that they allowed us to take home the old tires. So I just can't express it enough. When you are out there in the garden and you're creating your own personalized vibe, just know you can be as creative as you want to be. And use all the different things that you have around the house. It'll add a lot of character to your garden, and then it just makes it unique for you. And it can be convenient. It'll save you some money from buying brand new pots. But as you can see, we use those 4 tires, and right now we're just filling them up with dirt as we plant our first seeds in our garden for the spring equinox of 2024. So we hope you all will continue to join us on the next videos to come as we continue to keep you updated on our garden and our homestead that we're doing. We just want to be a little more self-sufficient and to be able to know exactly what we are feeding ourselves, minus all the extra preservatives and harsh chemicals and stuff being ingested in our bodies. So we look forward to taking you along with our journey. So happy gardening. We'll see you all soon.
What's happening, y'all? It's Boogie G. Check out these cool pictures we uploaded. Hit that notification bell, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.